Today, April 25th, Thursday, day 4. Student 1224. 789. This is serious. Name? Susie. How are you feeling today, Susie? Susie, talk to me. It's okay if you're sad. It's okay to cry, Susie, okay? Susie, I'm gonna have to ask. Look at me in the eyes and tell me what's the matter.
The lights, they burn.
Why do they burn?
I don't know.
Tell me more.
These people, they don't know me. They don't know who I am. They don't know anything about me. All I know is I'm Susie.
But Susie, I do know you.
You think you know me? You don't. You don't know anything about me.
Oh, Susie, I do.